How to activate Ocean credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate Ocean credit card online. So to activate your credit card online, you can either call at this number if you're in US, and if you're from outside US, you can just call at this number from over here. Another thing what you can do is you can just download your application, that is Capital One, and simply activate your card via the application itself by simply following the on-screen instruction on the app itself. You can also give the call to this number to follow the on-screen instructions verbally to the agent. So once you follow along the on-screen instructions such as this on your mobile device by simply filling up all of this information available over here, and once you do all of that, you should be successfully activating your credit card online. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you on the next one.